Hello guys, this is my trade recap for today. Let me show you guys how I got this particular trade with my top-down analysis, with my simple price action strategy, with my rules. This particular strategy, this particular trade passed all my confirmations. My 5 confirmation, I have 5 working confirmations before I take any trade. Some people doubted this particular buy on gold. Some people doubted it, but all of a sudden the gold played out so well, more than everyone think. So let's go. How did I get this particular trade? Looking at gold from, let's start from 4-hour time frame. Let me explain. So looking at gold, we have been on uptrend. We have been going up. From what you can see here, gold is bullish. You can see higher high, higher low, higher. You get all this. Although this place did not surpass, that's why we sold around here, because this particular place did not break this high. So what did I see? Number one rules is identify the market trend. We have an uptrend, so rule number 1 has been marked. So go down to 30 minutes time frame. This is how I get all my trades. So I've seen the direction of the movement, direction of the market, which is buy. You get. So what do I do next? I draw my trend line to see what's happened. This was a particular trade I took, but we made only half. This was 1:5, but the trade gave me around 1:3. So I closed around break even. So it was not really a complete good trade due to this ranging. This was due to Japanese holidays yesterday, which is being Tuesday. So today being Wednesday, how I got this particular trade, I saw this cool breakout, which is a very good momentum breakout, and a retest. But the breakout happened on a resistance zone, showing that we don't used to buy. Like I will always advise, don't ever buy from resistance. Always find a way to buy from your support side. So after this break, we got a retest here, a continuation candle, but this was not enough because my trend line is still not broken completely. I need a break and a rejection inside this my trend line. That's why I did not take entry under this place. So what happened again? I had to wait for more confirmations. You have to wait. So the more confirmation, number 2 is a breakout. Number 3 is a momentum breakout. Number 4 is a retest. This is a candle retest, 30 minutes candle retest. You see the rejections, immediately tap inside here. Number 4 is a retest. Number 5 is a continuation candle. But now, for you to get a sniper entry, you have to find a demand zone. This is a demand zone. This particular place that the market jumped, a little candle or a ranging path before the big move, is a demand zone. So I took my entry on this demand zone, targeted 1:6. 1:6. I knew that this particular trade is going to go higher because if you look here, if I delete this thing, you will see what I drew. This line was from here to here, you see. I knew what is going to happen because I knew after a break, we got a retest. After a retest continuation, market goes like that, creating higher highs, higher lows. So at a particular point, I knew that 1:5 is sure. So I targeted 1:5 to 1:6, and boom, in the morning we smashed. I can show you the before and after of this particular trade. Let me show you guys from my Telegram. See, look at how the trade started. Let's go. So can you see that? You see? Can you see that? 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 That's how it started. You see? So all the trades started here, then we match up to this place, to this place, to this place. Go. Can you see that? Let's go. It's like a movie. So that's it, man. It's not easy, man. This is skill set. This is structure. This is consistency. This is believing in your strategy. When people are selling, you are buying. When people are buying, you are selling. Due to your self-discipline, I don't care whatever anybody thinks. I do what I want. I do what I feel like is the right thing. I do what my strategy shows me. It's very simple. So I even got this NFP. I got entry on NFP. Going back to 15 minutes, look at how I got a sell for NFP. I told you guys that gold is going to crash. If you're on my live stream, you will see this particular trade. I told you guys that this particular trade will crash. NFP showed up. What's happened? How did I get an NFP trade? Let me show you guys. I got an NFP trade just like this. just like this. I got it from 15 minutes. I knew it's going to be a short term something. So look at a breakout with momentum, a retest to my supply zone. This is supply. A little candle before the push is a supply zone. So you can see we tapped into our supply zone, which is here. So I would have set my this thing here. You set your this thing. Target 1:5 or 1:6. Look at 1:5 straight up. You see? Boom. NFP hits. That's how to do it. Now I've already seen another trade for you guys. Join my live stream. I go live around 9 o'clock. I go live around 12 o'clock midnight. I also have a free community. Use the link on my bio. Also, what else? I also have a VIP, which is not costly. Everyone in my VIP are doing well. Anyone that is not getting it clear in my VIP, that means the person have not built a personal behavior. The person does not have self-discipline. All I do is take one particular trade every day. Take one good trade every day. If I see good trade a day, I take. If I do not see a trade, God has been providing me with signals, so I share good free signals on my free community, and also my VIP got the signals first. So send me a DM if you want to join my free community or my VIP. No, if you want to join my free community, use the link on my bio. Telegram is there, WhatsApp channel is there. If you want to join my VIP, you send me. So guys, pass like this. You only need one good trade. You are done for the day. So send me a DM if you want to join my free community. If you want to join my VIP free community, use the link on my bio. If you want to join my VIP, send me a DM on WhatsApp. You can see my number on my screen. You can see my number over there on the paper. So send me a DM. Do well. If you want to win with me this year, locking with me is the name of the group. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I hope this particular analysis got you right. I hope you understood everything clearly. It's not hard.